healing. Ay, nag-live na.
Ayan. Hello, mabuhay! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, wherever you are watching. We are the Universal Team. Live again for our personal growth. So, wag na natin patatagalan. Our topic for tonight is how do you prioritize your day? So, let's start from, I like to start from Greece. Sister Hazel, please take the floor.
Thank you, beautiful
Hi,
host.
Cam.
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. We are live again. It's Friday. Our topic for tonight, how do you prioritize your day? I am prioritizing my day by working. I am working 2 jobs a day, and it was really tiring and exhausting. Body aching, you name it. But I am happy because of you, because of my universal team, of my team of this online business. I am happy, and I have energy to work double job every day. That's it. And I guess I was inspired by these beautiful ladies in this team. Because of them, I am happy and I am pushing through my daily priority in my life. Of course, my family, my kids, most especially. And that's it. I love you guys. Thank you. Back to you, host.
Thank you, Sister Hazel from Greece. Yun, maganda yun, sis. Ang importante, masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. So, yun lang.
Yes.
And next, masaya rin kami para sa'yo dahil nagbibigay pala kami sa'yo ng lakas. O, di ba?
Of course.
Now, let's proceed to Sweden. Sister Vilma Santos of Sweden, please take the floor.
Yes, thank you, host Remya. Mentor now already. Congratulations for you. My name is Vilma Adriatico Andersson. I live here in Sweden, and then I work every day. My routine. How do you prioritize your day? You know, my prioritize for today, every day, my work. I wake up in the morning for 3:30 in the morning. I there on my work, but I have a dream, the big dream. If I hear already na po my dream for Universal Wisdom Team, pag makuha ko na to, talagang maaabot ko na yung pangarap ko na magkaroon. Ako naman ang maging host. Diba? Sarap. Sana makuha ko to. Ito talaga. Parati ko to dinadasal sa araw. Ginagawa ko to araw-araw. Dahil gusto ko maabot itong aking pangarap. Dahil ito na lang na pangarap ko ang hindi ko pa naabot. Gusto ko magkaroon ako ng sarili ko talaga ng negosyo. Na ako ang tawagin ng boss. Hindi yung ako ang puutusan. Diba? Sarap ang ganong pakinggan. Sana makuha ko yon. At kayo ang lakas ko lahat. Sabi pa ni si Cecil na everyday ay lakas ko kayo ng mga dream ko. Mga dream team. Sabi niya. Kaya salamat at ito talaga ang ating dream. Maraming salamat. Back to your host.
Thank you, Ate Vilma. That is very inspiring. So, time will come. Huwag kang mag-alala. Babalik ta rin natin ang mundo. Mangyayari lang yung pinapangarap mo. Sige, lumipad tayo ngayon sa Germany. Welcome, Sis Adela. Please take the floor.
Okay. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Adela. Mabuhay po sa ating lahat. I have a flowers for you to all people who watching us. my prioritize in my daily life. First of all, yung trabaho ko. Kapag iniisip ko, nagkukwenta ako ng pira, iniisip ko, balang araw magiging akin ka rin kapag ako na ang nag-success sa buhay ko, na pinapangarap ko yung business na ito. At saka, minsan pag naglilinis ako, nagmamask ako sa mukha nila, nilinisan ko yung mukha, being cosmetology. Niisip ko yung mukha ko wala nang nag-aayos. Minsan na-stress na kasi may lola na nga, may anak pa. Kaya iniisip ko minsan, ako na rin balang araw ang hihiga. Hindi na ako ang nag-aayos sa maraming tauhan or customer. Tapos ang isa pang pina-prioritize ko sa buhay ko, yung anak ko at apo ko or mga anak ko. Every Friday, talaga, parang tradisyon ko na bibili ako ng bulaklak sa anak kong dalagita, 17 years old. Alam na niya na pag umuwi ako ng bahay, may dala na akong bulaklak na iba-ibang kulay. Kung kunyari ngayon ay kulay pink, sunod na naman kulay pula, sunod na naman kulay yellow. Yung sa apo ko, mayroon din talaga mga laruan or damit. Kunting bagay lang para maging, kumbaga sa atin pa, yung pamilya natin, hindi natin kalimutan. Kahit pag sira-siraan na, itugpi natin parang damit na nasira na tahiin natin para mabuo. Yan na, napaka sarap pakinggan yung kahit sasabihin mong sirang-sira na kasi kagaya ko, divorce ako, single mom. Tapos yung anak ko, may apo ako, bata pa ako, naging lola. Masabi natin na nasisira yung isang damit, pero tinagpi-tagpi, tinahi-tahi ko, naging buo, naging masaya, naging na makulay. Parang damit ko na kulay pula. Ayun. Thank you very much. Go back to our host. Success is our mind. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Adela. Galing nun na. Parang first time ko narinig. Baliktad dun sa alam ko. Sabi nila, pag ang relationship is like glass, kapag na yung mayroon ng narais, ano ba yun sa English is yung naraya. Pag nabasag na, hindi na pwedeng maayos. Pero buo,
Hindi na tayo
tama. Hindi na
marunong
pwedeng
Tagalog.
yun. Pero palitan natin yon. So, gawin natin ngayon, tagpiin natin yung sira-sira na, tahiin natin para
At
mabuo.
kulayan pa.
Kulayan. Ay, maganda yon. Bagong ano yan ah.
Kaya nga may kulay na nga.
Thank you, Sister Adela po.
May love pa.
Pag love mo, hahamakin ang lahat, masunod ka lamang. Yun yun.
Wow.
Yun yun, sis. Mangyayari yun. Now, bago tayo pumunta sa ating coach, ako naman, how do I prioritize my day? Dahil ako ay stay home at mayroong special child, so how I prioritize my day? Siyempre, unang-una yung anak ko. Tapos, the next is yung business, how minamanage ko yung aking time. Like doing the posting, hindi naman kasi anytime na kung kailan mo maisip, pwede kang pumunta dahil parang overloaded na yung oras. Lahat may naka-schedule lang. So, kailangan ng extra. Kaya, hindi ko na ginagawa sa umaga, sa gabi na lang pino-program. Ini-schedule ko na. Tapos, someday, iniisip ko na darating din ang panahon, pasasaan ba, at magiging successful din ako sa business na ito. One day, ma-afford ko na rin na magbayad ng taga-bantay at ng personal driver para sa aking anak. Hindi na ako maging chauffeur at personal na mag-aalaga, pero nandyan pa rin ako, mag-uutos na lang. Hindi na ako mismo ang mag-aalaga, di ba? Tapos, yun bang stay home ka lang tapos hindi ka na mag-iisip kung saan ka kukuha ng magiging pang-budget mo for everything sa daily life mo kasi mayroon ka ng business running 24 hours automation. Diba? Stay home mom pero kumikita kaya hindi kailangan magtrabaho. Yun lang. And punta tayo ngayon sa ating big mentor. Coach na nga. Sige. Take your time, mentor. It's your turn.
Thank you, Sis Ramya, and thank you, ladies. And yeah, I like the word that you say that gagawin ang lahat, masunod ka lamang. Tulad nga naman ng pag-ibig, di ba? So, ganun din ang mga dream natin. So, for me personally, we all have our 24 days and 24 hours in a day to spend. And nowadays, spending 24 hours is like the money of today's businesses and or entrepreneurs. It's what they use to measure how valuable their work and how they spend their days is really important, and they usually measure in it setting measurable goals in two ways. And the first one is how long to achieve, and the second one is how quickly it happens. But what's even more crucial is that it's not just knowing the feeling of sense of urgency. Means feeling like you need to move quickly when you have a chance to do something. Or important is like when you see that opportunity and you feel to jump on it right away, like taking the action right away. As long as you can do it right now, don't leave it for tomorrow. Or that feeling of procrastination. Tama ba? Yeah? So that's what successful people do. They do not they are not just hard workers, but they're fast workers as well. They don't waste their days, but they prioritize what's important to make them more successful. They see themselves a role model, and they act like a big leader, and they spend their days like finding a good balance between their work, their personal life, and family. And in my own experience, by doing this business from the past 4 years, my tips is first is to train your mind for better day management through positive self-talk in the morning. Actually, when I started this business, I don't even know how affirmations or what does affirmations apply to our daily life. But as years goes by, I created and I have built my self-affirmation. Like affirmations exactly is a command that you give to your subconscious mind, helping you to shape your thoughts and behaviors. Positive affirmations that are simply statements that you say to yourself every day. Is either you can say it silently in your own, or myself, I do it every day in the mirror. Every day that I just woke up and I see myself in the mirror, I say good morning beautiful, like that. And to make up my day, I always say the word that I have a fantastic life balance. And sometimes I mention I easily focus on my most important task every day. My future, my kids' future, my family, my successful mentoring, coaching, and a successful business, and my early retirement. I have here in my hands, thank you, beautiful. That's what I mention every day in my affirmations. And it helps you it helps your day boost, and it helps you prioritize, and by saying all those words every day, by saying those affirmations every day to your life, it will effectively make your day better. And slowly, you will feel that those affirmations, it sinks on you, it sinks to your subconscious mind, and it's a new way of coming out to you also. So that is my tips as an entrepreneur from the past 4 years. Affirmation is very helpful. So try to apply to yourself, because whatever you're doing right now, I'm ordinary worker, you're ordinary workers. If you affirm that you want to be at the boss also someday, affirm it. It will happen. It will become you.
Claim
So
it.
that's from Mrs. Remya.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ladies. Back to you, host.
Thank you, Coach, for sharing your secret. It's not secret now because we know already. So thank you so much for sharing. And anything else, ladies and gentle?
Wala
Yes,
eh.
ladies.
We don't
Wala
have the
gentlemen.
gentleman's day.
Yes, that was very
Ladies and
inspiring,
ladies.
Coach.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Try it. You can in the beginning really I don't know what does affirmations means, but if I remember correctly, I had my first accountability partner, and he one time told me, Ate, what if we do the miracle morning? You know, I asked, what does affirmations means? And he explained to me, and then I remember, I think so, I Googled what does it means. And I started to go to
Oh, yes.
YouTube and some samples of affirmations, and I did study that actually, and I started to buy my book as well. And I started to apply to myself, and it's really true. And in the evening before I sleep, I have to listen those affirmations until I found out what something works for me that I've been doing up to now.
Yeah.
So it's really true. Whatever you put in your mind, it will come out to you. And the way you act, the way you speak, the way you apply to your daily life. And if you affirm your success, it will come to you. It will bring you. It will give you. That's my secret, but not anymore secret, as Sis Ramya mentioned.
You share.
Very nice.
You
Yeah.
share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're
Thank
sharing
you.
already.
So,
Exactly.
ladies, anong masasabi nyo? Let's start for me. Affirmation.
Yeah.
To make your dream come true. Diba?
It's
I
like
like
when I
Always
affirm that I
positive
want to become a
mindset.
coach. Exactly.
Yes.
You know, our biggest
Ah.
enemy in being a successful is our mindset and focus.
Yes.
We have to develop our growth, our mindset, and we have to work on our focus, because you know there are a lot of things in the world that there is a TikTok, there's a what are those social media that will take your attention, reels, especially the reels, you know, everywhere has a reels. If sometimes it happens to myself, you know, sometimes I just want to see one reels, and then comes again another, and then my focus on what something I want to focus, I lost. So the two things that we have in our mind, that is our number one and two enemy, is the positive mindset and the focus.
the focus.
So if you try to look straight away in your focus, you can achieve it. But if you go with those reels and then TikTok and then YouTube and then like this, then you are like a whirlwind,
Yes.
right?
Round and round.
At ito yung sinabi mo rin, coach, na ano, be quick. Kung magagawa mo ngayon, wag mo na ipagpabukas. Gusto ko yun.
Stop
Kasi
procrastination.
marami kang matatapos. Di ba? Kapag kung maisip mong gawin yan, tulad halimbawa na lang doon din sa mayroon kang nakagalit, kung mag-sorry ka agad, hindi na lalaki yung gulo, di ba?
Tama
Kung
yun.
ipagpabukas
Totoo yan.
mo pa, marami pang pwedeng mangyari, baka marami pang maging
Tapos sa
involved.
haba.
Pero kung mabilis kang humingi ng tawad, mabilis din matapos ang problema mo.
Yeah.
Yung muko ka kaagad sa kanya kung ikaw nagkamali. At tanggapin mo. Kahit hindi ka nagkamali, tanggapin mo rin na humingi ka sa kanya ng tawad.
And always be kind, you know. Be kind.
Yes. And don't stress yourself so that you will stay beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Especially respect. Respect is very important also.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, respect.
Without respect is
And it's also very important that we have
Not
positive
good.
mind all the time. Kahit paanong
Mhm.
difficulties we have every day. Ano mo yung masakit na yung kamay mo, yung pagod ka na, but you
Ignore
still have
it.
to have a positive thinking.
Mindset.
Oo, parang
Ganyan ako sa
mawawala
trabaho,
yung
sis.
pagod. I mean, yes.
Ganyan ako sa
Yeah,
trabaho,
that's
sis.
good.
Kahit pagod na ako, ang sakit na ng likod ko, pero nakangiti pa rin ako. Ito pa rin ako, ganyan na rin ako. Ganyan pa rin ako.
Yeah.
Kasi ayaw ko makitaan ako ng mga tinuturuan ko sa trabaho na bakit siya nakaupo at hindi nagtutulong at ganito ganyan. Hindi pwede yun. Kasi lalo pa lahat na camera nakaharap sa inyo, kahit saan, hindi pwede.
Hindi mag-posing.
Ang sa akin naman,
Basic topic.
Ang hirap ng lagay ko. Pero kinakaya ko yan. Everyday yan. Routine ko na yan.
Mhm.
Kinakaya ko yan.
Yeah.
And how
ang
about you?
sitwasyon ko naman, Ate B, iba naman. Ang sitwasyon ko naman, naisip ko, kahit pagod ka na, magpahinga ka lang. Balang araw, in 3 to 5 days, pinakamatagal 5 days, bumalik ka, tatayo ka pa rin dahil ikaw ang tatay. Ako ang tumayong tatay, ako ang tumayong nanay, nagtrabaho pa, nag-business pa, may apo, may anak. Kung ako ang masira, hindi. Iniisip ko, Lord, anong kinabukasan ng mga anak ko? Hindi lang anak ang nakasalalay sa buhay ko, kaya kailangan kong huminga. Kasi nandyan pa yung apo ko. Tapos, hindi pa ako handa. Kaya pag ako'y nagkasakit, iniisip ko, kailangan kulayan mo, kuha ka ng damit na makulay, kasi, or bulaklak, or kahit ano, positive mindset. Basta, maisip ko, in 1 week, okay ka na. Yan.
Yeah.
Always positive
Kasi
mindset
ganito
talaga.
yan, Sis Adela. Pwede ka magpahinga, pero huwag kang susuko.
Oo, tama.
That's it. That's the point.
O, yan ang sinasabing,
Pwede
don't
ka
give
We
up.
are 22 minutes now. I think so. Next.
We need to stop.
Yeah.
Sige, thank you so
Ganun
much
lang
for
yun.
watching. Hala.
Okay?
Good night na.
Okay.
From
Thank
side
you.
to sa
See
amin.
you again for the next
Share lang namin.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for the universal.
Napahaba ang usapan.
Good night, everyone. Thank you.
Okay.